Hello guys, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Porsie Code and I'll be glad to actually, be with you today again. Come on, today I'm actually going to be showing you a simple trick on how to compress a video file in just few minutes. Within few minutes, you'll be able to compress a video file, and the best part of it is that the video file will not even lose a single quality. And the tool you are going to be using today is actually a tool that you've been using to watch movie, to listen to songs and all. So the name of the tool we are going to be using today is VLC. Now let's get into the video as I show you how this is done. Come on, we all know that some files maybe you want to actually move some files around, and looking at how big or how voluminous this file is, it might actually hinder whatever it is you want to do. But today I present you a solution that is going to put an end to all of this hassle. Come on, let's get started into the video. So what you need to do is to go to your Google, and on Google you're going to actually go to type VLC to Google. So when you type VLC to Google, type VLC download to Google. So when you type VLC download to Google, it's going to take you to an official website. The first link there is what you're going to actually click. So it's going to take you to the official VLC website. This is in case whereby you've not really seen, or you don't really have a what am I saying now? You don't really have a VLC in your phone initially. So what you just need to do is to actually come here, then you click on download VLC. So when you click on download VLC, this is going to be done and you'll be able to actually work on this. So when this is done and installed on your system, go to where VLC Media is, VLC Media Player on your system. You click on it. So after clicking on it, what you need to do is to wait for it to open. As it opens like this, you're going to see some options around. Look at this pin here. This is an option, this is also an option. So but what we are really concerned about is this media. We click on media, then after clicking on media, we're going to also click on convert and save. Let me go back again so that you can see what I just did. So you click on media, then you go to convert or save. After clicking on convert or save, you click on add. So after clicking on add, now let me go back so that you see what I'm saying, and let me explain something to you. The reason why we are clicking on add is for you to add a file you want to compress. Are you getting me now? It's going to do, when you click on add, it's going to take you to the files on your systems. Are you getting me now? I believe you already know where the file you want to compress is on your system. So when you actually gotten that, what you just need to do is click on that file you want to do, what you want to compress. I want to compress this for an example. So we click on it. So after clicking on it, then you need to do something very, very spectacular. After clicking on it, then you click on this convert or save. You click on convert or save. So it's going to bring you to this another window pane. So when it brought you here, then you click on this optional drop down. You click on them. So after clicking on them, you click on video for YouTube HD. Do you get that now? HD. This means that this is the highest quality. You cannot anyway pick any of this, but I will advise that you pick this. You can pick this MPG for 720 TV device or wherever, but I will advise you pick this. Do you understand now? So then you click on browse. This browse is telling you that where do you want this, the file to be stored. I want the file to be stored here, and that is what I really want. So I'm going to actually use another one. I'm going to use okay, sorry, let me go back a bit. I think I made a mistake somewhere. So I'll click on browse, then I'll click on where I want this file to be saved, then let me name it compressed file. Are we getting it now? Then we click on what? Save. So after clicking on save, then you click on start. So the conversion is going to start. Look at this. This is where the meter is reading. So when the meter is done, you are going to actually have a converted file. Now let us wait a bit. Let's wait a bit. So when this is done, I'll come back.